Hello, welcome back to the channel. We're gonna be looking at Abercrombie and Fitch best items. You could say it's the military unit items that we're gonna be looking at. So we're gonna look at the cargo shorts right now. As you can see, their cargo shorts, Abercrombie and Fitch cargo shorts, go for a lot. So don't underprice these. These are not regular American Eagle cargo shorts. These, for some reason, are sought after. I've sold one. I've sold a pair before. They're very thick. I know the drawstring is also very thick. Let's see if you can see the patch. This is the patch, so it's not like it's a modern patch. Yet this still sold for $118. So it's Abercrombie and Fitch camel shorts, camel cargo shorts. Very sought after. 118 right there, 120 over here. These have about a 70% sell-through rate, and the average price is it's high, cause like 30 to like 70. I'm looking at the back end. Some people probably undersold theirs. Some of these are in the 50s. So I would say a fair price is like 50 to like 80. I think you're comfortable in that range. But these are very sought after, these shorts. Next we have the paratrooper pants. These are also very sought after in Abercrombie Fitch. These are pretty much a vintage. 300, I think. About 300 listed. 170. So that's over 50%. That's over 50% sell-through rate for these items right here. And as you can see, Abercrombie and Fitch paratrooper parachute pants. So be on the lookout for those also. Look at these. 180 for this one. The shorts are in here also, because it's like, I'm not gonna say it's part of the same category, but it's a style that Abercrombie & Fitch makes that's sought after, that people want. So as you can see, a few more examples of these items right here. So like I said, a lot of people don't look for pants. So if you go in the pants section, you come across these, you got to pick them up. Next, we have the coats. It's the same kind of idea, same kind of look. These are like utility coats, they're called. Military, army, field, hood. These are all keywords that they use for these coats. Heavy and thick. I have picked them up. They are heavy. Oh wow, this person sold theirs for $6. Jeez. Wow. That's tough. That's tough. You sell yours for $6. This person sell theirs for $2.40. It bees like that sometimes. So be on the lookout for those also. If y'all have seen these before, let's look at some of these patches. This one's the Adirondack version. But it's still part of the same style. Let's look at the highest first. So the vintage one, this one says Y2K on it. This one went for $200. That's nice. That's one thick coat. Very heavy. This is small also. Went for $200. This is the Sentinel version. Oh, this is nice. This looks like almost like a motorcycle jacket, but it's the same style. Feel utility jacket. There you go. So this is Primo. Let's go back to the paratrooper pants. And let's see some of the highest first. Same camo paratrooper. This one for 200. This women's one with the big cargo pockets on the bottom went for 350. Well, took an offer on 350. Yeah, I haven't seen this one before. It's got pockets everywhere. There you go. But these are the ones that there's a good amount of these. It's not like it's super rare. You'll come across it one day. One day, just don't think it's a regular pair of camouflage pants and leave them behind. That's just a major difference. But all in all, that's pretty much it. Let's go back to the shorts. And let's see the highest first of the shorts to see what stands out in the shorts. Oh no, this is the highest first. Yeah, 118 on the camo shorts. Let's see if somebody's underselling their shorts, because that could happen if you don't know what you have. Yeah, see, don't do this. Don't do that. don't do that. Don't do the bid. This went for 10 bucks. He did it twice. Same day, thinking that he's gonna be rich. That didn't work. See, these are different. That's not the same type of green. Plus, you want that thick drawstring. That's like a standout feature. You need that thick drawstring. Yeah, I don't think these are undersold. I think these are about accurate. This might be undersold though. This might be it. For 20 bucks. Yeah, this might be it with the fly button. That's usually a special feature. But it doesn't have the drawstring though, but it has everything else, and this went for 20 plus shipping. So don't do that, because people are waiting to pick these up for the cheap and resell them. I've heard about it. They're doing it. They're doing it, and they're waiting for you to show up, not knowing that these items go for a lot more than this. Alright. So that's pretty much it. So be on the lookout for these 3 types of items in the Abercrombie & Fitch. You got the shorts, the camo cargo shorts, the paratrooper pants, and the utility jacket. All the same style. Alright, y'all. Please like and subscribe. I'll catch you guys next time. I'm out.